What's up, guys? I like Ultimea company because they make good projectors and soundbars. You can watch our videos about Ultimea Nova C40 and the Poseidon E40 projectors, as well as wireless soundbars on our channel Tech Brothers. I was also interested in testing the Ultimea Apollo P60 because it is the largest projector in the company's lineup. In fact, it is the biggest projector I have had, although I have tested over 100 of them. I'm wondering if the size of the projector affects the image quality. We will find out in this video. The main features of the Ultimea Apollo P60 projector are 1080p native resolution and 900 ANSI lumens brightness, HDR10 support, 30 watts speakers with independent diaphragm design, as well as auto algorithm for intelligent obstacle avoidance, screen alignment, auto keystone and autofocus. I might surprise you with the price of this projector, only $269. You know, it has really good features for its price. But let's test it out. Maybe there's a catch. I already told you that it is a big projector, so it comes in a big box. You can read about its main features once again on the box, but I have already told you about them. Opening the box, first we see a cardboard package that contains the user manual, remote control, HDMI cable, AV cable, kickstand, and microfiber cloth. After that, we can take the projector out of the box. It is very well packed in styrofoam. That's all you will find in the package. In fact, the package contents are no different from most other projectors. However, the design of the Ultimea Apollo P60 projector is quite unique. I have never seen such a big projector. You know, I usually show projectors in my hands, but it is quite difficult to do that now, because the Apollo P60 is heavy. Let me put it on the desk. So it weighs 4225 grams or 9.31 pounds. As for the dimensions, they are 340 by 285 by 123 mm. Just so you understand, in the previous video we tested a projector that is also not very compact, but it looks really small to this one. Talking about the design in general, the projector looks nice. It has matte raised panel on the front, top and back. The top has glossy panels, and to be honest, I don't really like that, because they are more likely to get scratched. They have protective films on them now, and I don't want to take them off. Nevertheless, the projector looks more attractive and premium because of this gloss. On the front we can see a large 155mm lens, as well as an autofocus sensor. All the ports and connectors are on the back, such as HDMI ARC, HDMI, AV, aux, and 2 USB ports. There's also a subwoofer for deeper bass, and the 2 speakers are located on the right side. The rear panel also has an air intake window, while the air outlet window is on the left side. The top panel has only power button and a long LED light. It is blue when the projector is on and red when it is off. If we look at the bottom, we see 4 rubber feet here, as well as ceiling mounts. There is no tripod mount, because not many tripods can support its weight. However, you can screw on the kickstand that comes included. So I am surprised by the design of this projector, and mostly because of its huge size. But honestly, other Ultimea projectors look better to me. Do you agree? But the most important thing about any projector is the image quality. So let's check it out. The Ultimea Apollo P60 projector runs on Ultimea OS. It is based on Android 9.0, but it is not possible to install any applications. So you still need to connect some external device to watch movies. Among the input sources are AV, HDMI 1, HDMI 2 and USB. You can also use screen mirroring. We will check how it works a little later. There is a file manager, Bluetooth speaker, atmosphere with different screensavers, Settings, and Office Suite on the home screen. Talking about settings, first, you can connect to the Wi-Fi network. This is required for screen mirroring. After that, you can connect a Bluetooth device to the projector. We will come back to this a bit later. Among projection settings are Install Mode, Energy Saving Mode, and automatic screen adjustment functions such as multi-directional auto correction, horizontal automatic correction, vertical automatic correction, autofocus when power on, auto obstacle avoidance, and automatic screen enter. You know, Ultimea even has a brand name for these features called Auto Algorithm or USPAA technology. The projector does a really good job of adjusting the screen. Even the auto obstacle avoidance works very well. By the way, the focus is also adjusted automatically, but you can use the remote to adjust it manually. Okay, let's go back to the remaining settings. The Apollo P60 projector has an LED light at the top, but if you don't like it, you can turn it off in the settings menu. The projector has several sound modes and HDMI CEC support. The other settings are date, language, factory reset, and the boot settings. That's it. Now let's try screen mirroring. AirPlay and Mirrorcast are available in this projector, so you can connect iPhone, Android, or Windows devices. First, you need to connect the projector to the same Wi-Fi network as your device. Now just take your phone, go to Screen Mirroring and select Projector. The Ultimea Apollo P60 support dual-band Wi-Fi 6. And to be honest, I don't see the delay at all. It looks like it is even possible to play mobile games this way. As for Bluetooth, it has version 5.3. It is also a bidirectional Bluetooth, so you can connect the earbuds or external speaker to the projector. However, there is no point in connecting external speakers here, because the built-in ones are very good. It is even better to use the projector as an external speaker for your smartphone. The Ultimea Apollo P60 is equipped with dual 15W full-range drivers and independent diaphragm design. Let's listen to some music. You know, I have listened to music and watched some videos already, and I want to say that this is probably the best speaker of all projectors I have tested. Now I see why this projector is so big, because of the built-in speakers. The Ultimea company makes really good sound bars, and now they have managed to put quality speakers in the projector. By the way, I was afraid the Apollo P60 projector would be very noisy because of its large size. However, it is even quieter than some mini projectors. The noise level nearby is 47 decibels. And it is 44 decibels at 1 meter. There is even an energy-saving mode when the projector reduces the brightness and the fan runs quieter. The next feature of the Apollo P60 projector, according to the manufacturer, is a giant screen. On this picture, we can see that the projector has minimal screen size of 80 inches and a maximum of 120 inches. I wouldn't say it is huge, but compared to TVs, it is really big. However, the throw ratio is quite high, so you will need to put the projector far away from the wall to get a large screen. Since the Apollo P60 doesn't have a smart system, I connected my laptop to it via an HDMI cable. You know, it even says 2160p or the same 4K resolution. However, the projector actually has 1080p native resolution but 4K support. The image is really sharp and the text is readable. As for the contrast ratio, it is 1500:1. The projector also supports HDR10. To be honest, I don't know how to test HDR10 support on the projector, but the colors are very good. Do you agree? What's even more important is the brightness of 900 ANSI, which is really high for the projector under $300. No problem watching any video in a dark room. I even tried watching the projector in a room with lights. Overall, you can see the image, but it is better that the light doesn't fall directly on the wall with a projection screen like mine.
It's great to see you back, Mr. Gilmore. It's great to see you back, Mr. Gilmore.
We've only just begun.
Exchange. The nipple now on Burton. Now Malawak switches on to him, and a pass off will win on every screen and exchange. The nipple now on Burton. Now Malawak switches on.
Like any other projectors, the Apollo P60 is best used in a dark room. Let's watch some more videos.
Now keep deep breaths. Fill your lungs. Imagine there's an unknown virus in the air.
And you're sucking in every single microscopic particle floating around.
All the viruses.
Hey,
Hi. Sorry, I got a drink because I was nervous.
had a couple of car whatever. Can't believe we're actually doing this.
I mean, you are the first guy who didn't ask for feet pics.
It's a everyday thing.
I'm trying to prevent a war here. It ain't preventable.
He wants to take this place from us.
You're 30 miles from anything. Where are you headed?
Montana. Family needs me.
This is what hard you can do. I pray, Spencer, if you could hear.
My family is in danger. My wife is lost.
Chiefs' all-time leading rusher in the postseason is Patrick Mahomes. Right now, he's got 10, 15, 20, 22 yards on the run before it's finally ended by Logan Ryan. William has been staying. And to the running back. Mahomes, again being chased, poses on, and it's incomplete.
Let's summarize. The pros of the Ultimea Apollo P60 projector are good image quality thanks to its native 1080p resolution and a 900 ANSI brightness. You know, sound is very important for any projector, and the Apollo P60 has some of the best built-in speakers. In fact, I only used 50% of the volume because the speaker is very loud. But if you plan to use a projector outdoors, the volume will be enough. By the way, I forgot to tell you about the fully enclosed optical engine. The projector case is dust-proof, so you will not have black dots on the screen after a while. The USPAA technology for automatic screen adjustment works very well. No problems with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection. What I miss about the Apollo P60 projector is a smart system like the Poseidon E40 and a Nova C40. A Google TV system would be very useful here. In addition, I think a 120-inch screen may not be enough for some. Overall, the throw ratio is pretty high, so you need a large room for this projector. Of course, the big size of the Apollo P60 may also scare you off, but if you don't plan on carrying it often, that's not a problem. Thank you for watching, see you soon!